The U.S. Postal Service is suspending the delivery of parcels coming from China and Hong Kong.
Got a new shipment in, and it's not from Colombia.
12 seconds later.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is pure Chinese RC. All right. What's up, YouTube? We are back with the MJX HyperGo 10208, and this might be the cheapest 4S basher you can buy, or it might be a complete pile of shit. Who knows? Let's find out. I'm gonna run this thing on 3S first, just to get a feel for it. All right. 1, 2, 3. What's nice with the hood scoop is gives you a little window to see where the slot is for the hook. So you can just slot it in. Lock it in back, nice and tight. Steering is not the fastest, that's all right. This is $150. So this channel's for the light. Also have rear lights. All right, has some pep on 3S. So far, the transmitter almost feels numb. The steering feels very numb with the transmitter. The transmitter feels horrible. I'm giving it small inputs, but the thing's almost spinning out. Woo! I don't know if the transmitter is tight right here, but it just doesn't really respond very well. Now, I have seen that other people replace the transmitter in these, so I might have to do that to make it better. But so far, I'm not liking the response for the transmitter and receiver. Makes controlling this thing a little difficult. And this is just 3S. I can't imagine 4S. Yeah, like it gets stuck. Look at that. Watch this. Retracts slightly. Doesn't retract. So let's see if we can fix that. Not off to a good start. I do have the screwdriver they provide, so maybe I can loosen this up, make it feel better. See, it retracts this way. Still not retracting. Yeah. So that's a mega fail there. This transmitter's crap. Guess we'll deal with it for now, fix it later. Woo! Nice. Oh! So yeah, so far it's pretty fun on 3S, but the transmitter is really killing it for me. Whoopsie. So if you plan on purchasing one of these, get rid of the transmitter ASAP. Woo! Oh! Yeah. I mean, it goes pretty good on 3S. Happy with that. Just not happy with the response of this transmitter. And it's squeaky too. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Oh yeah, this thing is jamming. Super fun. Woo! Wheelies on 3S, which is cool. That's power to do that. I forgot to put the wheelie bar on though. Woo! Oh, that was sick. Oh yeah. Oh man, totally didn't mean to do that. Woo! All right, so that was pretty fun, 3S. You can tell the battery's getting really low, so we're gonna swap it out right quick. See the lead sticking out too. Look at this, people just tossed their trash out. Donut machine. All right, so I love the white, but man, this thing is filthy. All right, a little squeaky in the suspension or tires. Let's shut her down. Ah, I'm so disappointed with this transmitter. What a complete pile of garbage. All right, gonna try this thing on 4S. I don't have high hopes because managing this transmitter on 4S is probably gonna be ridiculous. Had the connector changed out to a IC5 through hobby quarters because all my batteries are IC ES5s, so only made sense. Battery straps, not a fan of. I think they could be a little bit longer. Let's hope they don't eject my brand new 4S battery, or my semi brand new 4S battery. Trying to tuck this somewhere where it doesn't wrap around the drive shaft. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, definitely got more punch. Let's see how much easier it does wheelies on a tarmac. Oh my god. Wow, it did almost a standing backflip. Let's try it again. Woo! Oh shit. Alright, alright. Very weird throttle control with this transmitter. It's my biggest complaint so far, if you haven't noticed. Woo! Full throttle. Woo! Oh, got a rock jammed in the wheel. Yep. Yes. Oh. Oh. Man. This thing's pretty nasty on 4S, but we really have to get rid of this transmitter. Back wheel seems to get him loose. Yeah. All right, let me check the back wheels. Everything seems all right. See how this thing jumps on 4S while we still have some battery left. Nice. All right. Has some control, but the bounce was a little too much. Woo! Nice. Yeah, so I can land it, but it doesn't take the landing well, even in grass. Might have to adjust the suspension a little bit. Woo! There we go. Oh man. Send it. Woo! Oh, our first body off. Yeah, that was a hard hit. Nothing broken? No. All right, so it hit. Yeah, it just darted into the ground. No biggie. Shot our body off. This body's pretty tight, so I'm surprised it shut off. All right. On 3S is actually pretty fun. 4S might be a little much. Give it less gas this time. Get some mild jumps in. All right, see, even if I go really delicately, it just doesn't want to land well. It's just not absorbing the hit as good as I want it to. So it might need a shock upgrade or fine tuning. Looks like that wheel's getting a little warped. Or loose. Might be loose. Oh, for some reason now it wants to dart instantly. What's up with that? Body again. So when it comes off the ramp, it automatically dips. I have a strong suspicion that it'll jump a lot better on 3S. The extra weight of this 4S battery, I don't think the suspension can handle it on jumps. Trying to nail a solid landing here. It's just not working. All right, oh, all right, good. Yeah, it slaps hard, really hard. There we go. Took some finesse, but that was a good landing. Try to save it with air control, but didn't work out. So, I think our body's getting loose because it's just not holding well anymore. I think I want to try jumping it on 3S, so let's bring it back. It's probably going to jump a lot better because I don't think the suspension can handle 4S. Oh, hit the base. Oh! The base is not safe. Don't hit the base. Oh, almost hit it again. Woo! Went underneath my legs. Picks up speed pretty good. Not bad. Whoa. Man, this thing's fun. This might be the best $150 RC car I ever bought. Oh, hold on. Wow, I retract that statement. What do we do? Oh, we did something. Axle popped out. Oh, we lost a screw to the camber link. Yeah, so it looks like we lost a screw here. I don't know what's with cheap RC cars, but the screws always back out on me. Might be the soft plastic though. So let's check that one. It was semi-loose, so that's a bummer that the screws are loosening themselves. Other than that, looks like it's taken the bashing pretty well, which I'm impressed with considering the cost of this thing. I mean, it was pretty expensive at one point, but if you're paying $150 for this thing, it's justifiable for it to be, you know, semi-crapping.